Aloha, it's Diana Hegman with eXp Realty, and we're back at Kiahuna Plantation. We're checking out unit 141 today, which should be coming on the market in the next few days or so. So this unit is located in building 21, so we're pretty far away from all the traffic noise. And here's your view from out front. Notice all the banana trees right up front. And here's even a rack of banana that's almost ready. So this is a bottom floor unit, so there are no steps coming from the parking lot, and you're also located in this tiny little cove, so nice and private, very quiet. And we'll take a look. All right, here's the entryway. You'll notice the tile, and then we have carpet in the living room as well as the bedroom. The bedroom is located on the left, and they've actually updated all the furnishings to the very high end, like either Two Frogs Hugging or Aspire. So this unit's going to be pretty turnkey for you as a rental or as a vacation home. Gorgeous dresser, mirror as well. And directly across, they have their updated vanity and countertop. The lighting could be updated later on, but definitely not necessary. Here's their updated shower tub combo. So we have the tile surround, curved rod, extra deep soaking tub. Again, that high-end furniture. I love it. That is a pull-out sofa. We also have shutters in here, and being on the top or bottom floor, I'm kind of surprised that the ceilings are as high as they are. Maybe it's an illusion, I don't know, but I like it. Here's your kitchen. Again, we have that updated cabinetry, updated backsplash and countertop, white appliances. And finally, our lanai. I love that even their lanai is updated and tiled. And just a few steps that way is the beach, but we'll do a quick pan of the yard again. All right, we hope you guys like it. Let us know if you have any questions. Aloha.